Yes, I can see your slides, so we have now 3 minutes. Please take it away.
Fantastic. What is it that you love doing in life? And how would that be if you had to do it in a wheelchair? At TWICE, we design human-robot interaction. And our first product is a powered exoskeleton that lets people stand up and walk again. Just like Silke, who had a trapeze accident about 15 years ago. Or like Martin, who had a climbing accident 15 years ago, and who was dreaming of going back up the mountain, put the skis on, and just be free of enjoying the view of the Swiss Alps. Our mission is to help people reconnect with their community by giving them back access to life. Because our technology needs to be accessible, we're going to enroll the world's first exoskeleton as a service. And our patients will be able to book a session ahead of time through an app, a website, or just a phone call. And a dedicated coach will come to the time and place that our patient wants to use it and provide a safe and enjoyable environment for the session to happen. This business model makes our technology more affordable thanks to resource sharing. And with this model, a session will cost about $250 for one patient for an hour, of which an average of $100 will be covered by the insurance. Our primary market research shows that 63% of the people we asked said they would be able and willing to pay this price twice per month. This gives us a comfortable 46% gross margin, and with this model and the 700,000 people who are capable of using our technology, who have the right indications for this and are within our market segment, that gives us a 4.3 billion market opportunity in Europe, USA, and Canada, of which we aim to grasp a 25 million market share at break-even in 2024. We're not the only ones doing this kind of technology. There's quite a few players out there, and we have actually measured our device in competition with them, and you'll see that it's actually the most agile of all and the lightest of the ones that are capable of going up the stairs. And you see here a direct comparison with Rewalk, the world's market leader, on the left against our technology on the right. And you see that on a similar obstacle, our device is capable of going much, much faster. In fact, on a 5-minute racetrack, our device needs 2 minutes less. We're now raising a seed round of 1.5 million US dollars to study the effects of our technology on our patients, run our first clinical trial, and CE mark our device so we can hit the market at the end of year 22. My name is Tristan Vouga, and I'm the CEO and co-founder of TWICE, and I thank you very much for your attention.
Perfect, thanks. Judges, we have 3 minutes, 40 seconds. Go ahead.
Hi, Tristan. Thank you for the presentation and very nice product. I have one question regarding the training or the onboarding process. How easy or difficult is to implement and start using the device?
I mean, that's really one of the advantages, one of the key advantages of our business model as a service. The fact that we have a dedicated coach that provides a safe environment, provides the user with a trained environment, gives the user the ability to walk from the very first session on. They don't take the risk of purchasing a device that usually costs between 80 to 150,000 per device. And with this, they can walk really from the first session on. They just need medical onboarding, checking with a medical doctor of our team, and then they can go on with the first session, starting with $150 per hour.
And is it only available on the application, or is it possible to acquire the service on a physical store or physical place?
So our distribution channels will be the physical therapy centers where our patients go every year to visit their medical doctor that is following them, and a network of physical therapists that are using technology with people already in many cities now. That means they could book the session through the app or through a phone call with their traditional physical therapist who could then refer our product to them.
Thank you.
Tristan, so what are the costs of this solution if you just would like to purchase this in one-time payment? Or maybe the cost, because you mentioned you break even only in a couple of years, so at a much larger scale. So I'm just wondering
Right.
what are
So
the costs behind.
the cost of producing one device is about $13,000, which is 5 times less expensive to produce than our competitors. They produce for 80,000 and they sell at 80,000, which gives them zero margin, and they're trying to penetrate the market. We have much more aggressive manufacturing costs, and the manufacturing of the device is amortized over the first 3 years of operation of a new device that we deploy, and that means we amortize $30 per session of 1 hour, which gives a 3 years return on investment time for a new device.
And how is it with a device? So is it you need to custom this to a given patient? Because you mentioned that if it's there is no risk that you will have to purchase the device that is not working for you, so you should also take the risk of people just returning this or
Yeah, that's exactly why we don't want to have people buy our device, but use it as a service, so we can share the cost of production of one device across multiple users and reduce the cost pressure on our customers. And the customization, now the device is able to adapt to a variety of patients. In generation 3, so in 2025, we'll have a device that is custom made, and thanks to our lean manufacturing technique, we'll be able to customize the device with a very streamlined process that doesn't require much human intervention in the loop. But that's for generation 3 of our product.
Okay, perfect timing. Thank you so much. We just ran out of time for the questions, and that was the last startup in the slot. I suggest